whether it is pharma, petrochemicals, paints, automobiles, a number of areas the chemical industry has its presence. Um, if you look at it from a very strategic perspective, China, which is one of the largest producers of most chemical products which are consumed all over the world, is coming under and some kind of an increasing, scrutiny, a little bit of suspicion on a very strategic perspective from whether it is countries like Japan, United States, the whole of Europe. And all these countries are starting to look at India as an alternative to manufactured goods from instead of China, and therein lies the huge opportunity for us. If you looked at the video, Mitsubishi, one of the largest producers of chemical products in the entire world, has very clearly said, look, we are interested in coming to India. We are looking at India for our sourcing and selling of our chemical products. So I think it really offers an amazing opportunity all over, going for the future. But looking at what we have right now, a large number of chemical units in and around Hyderabad, Telangana, are in the smaller MSME sector. And many of them are specialty industry, chemical industries. I think that is very critical for us, that we need to exploit what the specialty chemicals offer, whether it is in coatings, whether it is in paints, whether it is for the aerospace effort that is available right now with the in and around Hyderabad, whether it's through the DRDO or the Research Center Imarat. All the specialty paints and coatings are something which are produced in and around Hyderabad. We have the Indian Institute of Chemical Technology. I see the director of IICT here, and we do have started working very closely with the IICT to see how best the research which is being done by the scientists of IICT and other similar institutions which are around Hyderabad, how can they be commercialized, and what kind of support that the government can come out with, so that we can harness the research that is going on there. Also to make sure that the industry, which has its own requirement, how does that industrial requirement get translated into research which is conducted in our national institutes. So that kind of networking, both to meet the needs of the industry, to produce new products which are being incubated at our research centers in and around Hyderabad, is the big effort which the government is going to be making, so that we produce these high value, not really in the bulk, but in the high value specialty chemicals that are required very strategically now in a number of operations. Now, if you're looking at one of these emerging sectors which the Prime Minister recently announced, is on the defense sector, where a lot of private investment is proposed. They are opening up the defense sector to the private sector. And we here in and around Hyderabad are, I think, very eminently poised to exploit this opportunity, considering the large number of defense establishments that are already there or producing for the defense sector, and they'll be looking very rightly for partners. So I do believe that the chemical sector, especially the MSME clusters which are in and around Hyderabad, have a great opportunity. One of the bigger problems which are faced by the MSME sector is on, one is on product development, and the other is on product marketing. Of course, I have already mentioned about product development. We would, be working very closely with institutions like IICT, the National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, the DRDLs, DRDO, to, improve the product qualities. The second, of course, is marketing, and that is where the international exhibitions and conferences organized by the Government of India really help. It is not possible for small in the MSME sector to make a huge effort in marketing, because marketing is a little difficult. It is very expensive. Finding your suppliers, finding your buyers is, in the international market, is really a difficult and, energy, time, and money-consuming effort. And that is where the events like this really help, where you go as a group, and that's where you'll find everybody organized by a Government of India entity.